Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine. Today, girls, we will start with a new lesson, the same idea, multiply two-digit numbers, but today we will use regrouping. So please bring your books and open your books on page 173. Hi, Ariam. We will start in 1 minute. Hi, Zen. So today, girls, we will talk about regrouping, and you remember we talked about regrouping when we multiplied the number with one-digit number. Hi, girls. Hi, Kinda. Hi, Bisan. So today we will continue with the same idea. How can you use regrouping to multiply two-digit numbers? Yes, I see your projects. Thank you, Kinda. Thank you, Lana. Thank you, also Zen, for sending for me the projects. Your projects very beautiful. I love all the projects. Thank you so much. And I'm waiting the others also. So, girls, today we will start our lesson now. How can you use regrouping to multiply two-digit numbers? Okay, so today we will multiply two-digit numbers with regrouping strategy. You remember that last lesson we talked about partial product, but so after that we will talk about regrouping. Let's start with the first example. I want you to focus with me, please. Thank you, Rimas. Love you too. So, how I will multiply those numbers according to regrouping? You remember when regrouping strategy, we talked about how to multiply one-digit number with two-digit numbers and regroup the answer. So, I will use the same strategy with this example, but with two-digit numbers. Let's start. First thing, if I want to estimate the answer, as we learned, if I want to estimate the answer, okay, so I have to round the numbers into the nearest 10. So 93, it will be what? 93, it will be what? It will be 90, right? Because I have 3 before the tens and it's less than 5. That means I will keep the same number as we learned and it will be 90. Now multiply with what? 25. I have 5 before the tens. 5 equals 5. That means I will keep the same, or I will add 1 to the tens, so it will be 3 and the other digit will be 0. Girls, stop typing on the chat, please. Okay, 90 multiply 30 equals what? 9 multiply 3 equals 27. And I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So it will be 2,700. Now let's see how I will use regrouping to multiply the numbers and to find the exact answer. First thing, girls, I will start with the ones digit. As we learned in regrouping, I will start with the ones digit, 3. So I will multiply 3 with 25. 3 in the ones digit. The value of the 3 equals the same number, 3. So how I will multiply 3 with 25? 3 multiply 5 equals, as we learned, 15, right? Can I write 15 here? No, I can't. So what I have to do? I have to write 5 here and 1 above the tens, right? No page, just focus with me. So I have to write the 5 and 1 above the tens. Now I will multiply 3 with 2. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So this is the first answer, 75. Okay? So the first answer is for multiplying between 25 and 3. Okay? The first number, or the first answer, is for multiplying between 25 and 3. Now, after that, we multiply the ones digit. Now I want to move to multiply the tens number with the 25. So what I have to do, this is the strategy. First thing, the answer for the first step was 75. So I will write it here, 75. Now I will find the answer for 9 in tens digit multiplied with 25. How I will do that? I want you to focus with me. What is the value of the 9? The value of the 9 equals 90, because 9 in the tens digit. So the value of the 9 equals 90. So when I want to multiply 90 with 25, you remembered I told you you have to multiply 9 with 25 and put 0 next to the answer, right? That's mean the first digit in the ones must be 0. The first digit must be 0. That's mean I have to put 0 on the under the ones digit and start multiplication between 9 and 25 with regrouping strategy. So when I want to multiply two-digit numbers with regrouping, the tenth number, when I want to multiply the tenth number, I have to put 0 here under the ones, because the first digit in the tenth number is 0. So I have to put it under the ones, as we learned when I want to multiply tenth number with a whole. Now I will continue my multiplication. 9 multiply 5 equals what? 9 multiply 5. Who will tell me? Use the chat, please. 9 multiply 5 equals 45. Right? 9 multiply 5 equals 45. Thank you, girls. Can I write 45 right here? No. I will use regrouping. I will take the first number and write it here, 5. And the 4 will be up over the tens. I will regroup the number. Thank you, girls. Now I will continue. 9 multiply 2 equals what? 9 multiply 2 equals 18, right? But I have 4 up over the tens. So 18 plus 4 equals, count after 18, 4. The answer must be 22. There is any digit after the here after the tens? No, so I write 22 right here. Okay? So the same strategy. I will use the same strategy, but the difference will be in the tens digit that I have to put 0 under the ones, because the value of the tens is, or the value of the 9 in the tens digit, it will be 90. Now the last step, what I have to do, I have to add the answers to find the final answer. Let's add the answers now. The first one was 75. And the second one is what? 2250. So let's add the answers. 5 plus 4, sorry, 5 plus 0 equals 5. Okay. 7 plus 5, put 7 in my mind and 5 on my fingers and count. It will be, thank you Zen, that's correct, it will be 12. So I will put 2 here and 1 above the hundreds. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And there is no 1,000 to add, so I will take the 1,000 and write it here. So the final answer is 2,325. So this is the strategy that I will use it, the regrouping strategy, to find the multiplication. Okay? Girls, any question? Any question, girls? What's your question, Bisan? No question? You understand it? Okay. So now let's move to page 173. I want you to open this page now. Open this page. Open this page, girls. Now I will repeat the same strategy when I want to multiply any number. Let's start now. First thing, on exercise number 2. Let's start with exercise number 2. Now I want to multiply 68 with 53. Okay. If I want to estimate the answer, round 68 into the nearest 10. Look, girls, I will estimate the answer. So I want to round 68 into the nearest 10, so it will be 70. Because before the tens, as we said, I have here 8 greater than 5. That means I have to add 1 to the tens. Now 53 becomes 50 because before the tens I have 3 and 3 less than 5, as we repeat this strategy many times. Now 7 multiply 5 equals 35, and I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 5 or 3,500. Now let's choose another girl to help me. Yes, Lana? Lana? Okay, Lana. Open your mic, Lana. Let's start with you. Yes, Lana. I want you to multiply. Now start with regrouping to multiply 53 with 68. Let's start with 3 in the ones digit. So 3 multiply what? 3 multiply 8 first. 3 multiply 8 equals what?
3 multiply 8
equals 24. Very good. Can I write 24 here?
No, teacher.
So what I have to do, I write 4 here and 2 above the tens, right? Now 3 multiply 6, Lana. 3 multiply 6 equals 18, right?
18.
Yes, 18
Yes.
plus 2.
18. 20.
Very good. 18 plus 2 equals 20. So I have to write it here because there is no numbers after the tens. Thank you so much, Lana. Now let's continue with Kinsey. Yes, Kinsey. Open your mic. Kinsey, where are you? Kinsey? Where's your name? Kinsey? Yes, dear. Now I want to multiply 5 in the tens digit with 68, right? So what I have to put in the ones digit?
I have to put 0.
Very good. I have to put 0. Why? Because the value of the 6 or of the 5 in the ones digit, in the tens digit equals what? Equals 50. Yes. So 5 multiply 8. Yes, Kinsey.
5 multiply 8 equals
4.
49, I think.
5 times table 5. 5 multiply 8 equals 40, right? 40. So can I write 40 here?
No.
What I have to do, I have to put 0 here, right?
I have to write this.
And 4 where?
4 in the same place.
No, up over the tens, right? Now 5 multiply 6 equals what?
5 multiply 6
Timetable 5.
20.
No, timetable 5 the answers will start with 0 and 5 only, right? So 5 multiply 6 equals what? Equals 30, not 35. 5 multiply 6 equals 30, plus 4 equals, very good, 34. So I have to write 34 because there is no answers after, or there is no numbers after the tens.
Can I tell you something?
Yes, of course.
I did not understand the step 1, step 2, step 3.
Okay, now continue with me. Step 1 and step 2, we will repeat it now in each exercise, okay? I will repeat it in each exercise. Thank you, Kenzie. Now, the last thing, I have to add the numbers. Okay? 4 plus 0 equals 4. Now 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And there is no thousand here, so I will write the thousand. So the final answer is 3604. Girls, now I will repeat, or I will solve number 3, because Kenzie asked me to explain the steps again. So I want you to focus with me if you don't understand it, because I will repeat the same steps. First step, I will here estimate the answer. So 61, if you round it, it will be 60. And why, when I ask you, girls, who didn't understand, you didn't say Bisan also. You have to say, when I ask you, tell me, teacher, I don't understand, to repeat it. Okay? Now I will repeat it. It's okay. So 60 multiply what? 54, it will be what? If I round this number into the nearest 10, before the tens I have 4 less than 5, so it will be 50. 60 multiply 50 equals what? Equals 6 multiply 5 equals 3, or 30, sorry. And I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer, so the estimate becomes 3,000. Now, girls, I want you to focus with me. I will repeat the steps again. Focus with me, please. Now, I want to multiply the numbers by each other, 2-digit numbers. So, first thing, I will start with the ones number under in this number. In the number here, right here, in the 54, I will start with the ones and multiply it with 61, as we learned when I want to multiply 1-digit number with 2-digit number. So what I have to do in regrouping strategy, I will start 4 multiply 1. This is the first step. 4 multiply 1 equals 4. So here I will write 4 in the ones. No need to regroup it, okay? Because I can write the 4. Now I will multiply after that 4 with 6. 4 with 6. 4 multiply 6 equals what? Equals 24, right? So I will write 24 right here. This is the first step, girls. This is step 1. So step 1, I have to multiply the ones number with 61. Now the second step, I want to multiply the tens number with 61. The tens number 5 with 61. You know that the value of the 5 in the tens digit, the value of the number, it will be what? The value is 50, right? This is 50. This number is 50. So when I want to multiply 50 with 61, the first digit must be 0, right? You have to multiply 5 with 61 and put 0 next to the answer. That's mean the first digit in the number or in the answer must be 0. So that's why I will take this 0 and put it here in the first digit. That's mean in the ones. Okay? And after that I will continue my multiplication as we learned with regrouping. That's mean I will multiply 5 with the ones, then 5 with the tens. So the same strategy. The difference, I have to put here 0 under the ones digit. when I start my multiplication between the tens number and the whole number. So 5 multiply 1 equals 5. I will write 5 here. 5 multiply 6 equals 30. Thank you very much then. So there is no thousand number, so I have to put the 30 right here. Okay? So this is this is answer number 2. After that, what I have to do, I have to add the answers to find the final answer as we learned. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 2 plus 0 equals 2. And there is no thousand up, so I will write 3 only, and the answer will be 3294. Thank you, girls, all of you, to give me the final answer. Girls, please stop tallying. This talking is not related to our lesson. Now let's continue with number 4. I will choose someone of you to help me. Yes, Duha. Duha, could you help me, please?
Teacher, I don't understand.
Duha?
Yes.
What did you say?
I don't understand the lesson.
Which step? Which step you don't understand it, Duha? Step 2. Okay. Now I want you to focus with me, Duha, please. Don't type on the chat, okay? Focus with me. Now I will start with, yes, I want someone of you to help me. Yes, Taline, open your mic. Now,
Yes, teacher.
yes, I will estimate the answer first. 90, if you round it, it will be 90. It will be the same.
Yes.
And 27, if I want to round it, before the tens I have 7. 7 is less than 5, or sorry, greater than 5. That means I will add 1 to the tens, so it will be 3, 30. Now 90 multiply 30. 9 multiply 3 equals
27.
very good, 27, and I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So the estimate must be 2000.
2,700.
Very good. Now I want you to help me, Taline, with multiplication between the ones number 7 and the 2-digit number here. Now let's start. 7 multiplies 0.
Equals 7. 0.
Equals 0. Very good. So I will put 0 in the ones digit here. 7 multiply 9 equals. No, you said 7 multiply 9 equals.
Teacher, 1 minute.
You're counting. 7.
No, don't count.
Okay, quickly please. 7 multiply 9 equals 60.
63.
Very good, 63. Girls, I want you to focus on the multiplication table. Thank you, Taline. Now, I repeat for the last time, girls. For the last time, how to multiply the tens digit here with 90. Okay, for the last time. The value of this number, 2 in the tens digit, the value of the number, it will be what? It will be 20. Okay? So, if I want to multiply 20 with 90, that means I will multiply 2 with this number and put 0 next to the answer, as we learned. Okay, as we learned with multiplication between the tens number and 2-digit number. So that's why I will take this 0 before the multiplication and put it under the ones digit. So, and continue. 2 multiply 9. Now I want someone of you to help me. Zena. Zena, open your mic, please. Zena?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Now I want you to help me. 2 multiply 0 equals what?
Equals 0.
Very good. Equals 0. Now 2 multiply 9.
18.
Very good. Equals 18. So I write 18 right here. Right? Now let's add the answers, Zena. 0 plus 0 equals
0.
3 plus 0.
Equals 3.
Very good. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Okay? Thank you. So I will put 4 here and 1 above the 1,000. 1 plus 1.
Equals 2.
Very good, Zena. So the final answer is 2,430. Thank you, Zena. Girls, if you finish writing, please type 1 in the chat just one time if you finish those exercises. Quickly, girls, please write the answers quickly. Write the answers quickly, Shahid. Okay. Now we will continue and we will move to exercise. I will erase just number 2 and I will leave 3 and 4 for you. So let's multiply now 30 with 47. First thing I will estimate. So I will estimate the answer. Now if you want to round 30 to the nearest 10, it will be also 30 because I have before the tens 0, 0 less than 5. That's mean I will keep the same number in the tens and the other digits will be 0. Now 47, if I want to round it into the nearest tens also, so before the tens I have 7. 7 greater than 5, that's mean I will add 1 to the tens, so it will be 50. And 30 multiply 50, it will be what? 30 multiply 53 multiply 5 equals 15. And I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So the number will be 1000, or the estimate will be 1500. Okay? Now let's continue with Al-Hanuf. Yes, Al-Hanuf? Could you please open your mic and help me to multiply 7 with 30. We will start with 7. Hanuf, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. 7 multiply 0 equals?
7.
7 multiply 0 equals? Equals 0. Any number multiply with 0, the answer must be 0. Now 7 multiply 3. 7 multiply 3 equals? Al-Hanuf, are you with me? 7 multiply 3 equals 20.
20. 21.
21. Thank you, Hanuf. Thank you, dear. Now let's continue with Bisan. Bisan, now I want to multiply 4 in the tens digit with 30. What I have to do with the ones digit? What I have to put here?
0.
0. Very good. Now 4 multiply 0.
0.
Very good. 4 multiply 3
4 multiply 3
equals 12. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Bisan. Now let's continue with Rinad. I want to add the numbers.
Teacher.
Add the numbers now. Yes, Rinad. 0 plus 0 equals?
Equals 0.
1 plus 0?
1.
2 plus 2.
4.
Very good. And there is no thousand, so I will take it. So the number will be 1,000.
1,410.
Very good. Thank you so much, Rinad. Now we will continue to number 6. If you estimate the answer, also right here. So if you round this number to the nearest 10, so it will be 80 because I have 8 before the 7. So it will be, I have to add 1 to the tens, and this number before the tens I have 6 greater than 5. That's mean I will add 1 to the tens and it will be 60. 8 multiply 6 equals 48, and put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 4,800. Okay, now let's start our multiplication now. Okay, yes, Duha? 6 multiply 78. Duha, I will start with the 6. 6 multiply 8 equals 40. Very good. Can I write 48 here? No. So I will write 8 here and 4 above the tens. Now 6 multiply 7 equals 6 multiply 7 equals 42 plus 4 equals 46. Very good. So I will write 46 right here. Thank you so much, Duha. Let's continue now. Okay. Now, yes, Zain.
Yes, teacher.
Now I want to multiply 5 with 78. First thing, what I have to put in the ones digit here?
0.
Very good. Now, 5 multiply 8 equals what?
Equals.
Girls, I think you have a problem in multiplication table, all of you. 5 multiply 4 equals 40. Can I write 40 here?
No.
So what I have to do, I have to put 0 here. Yes?
4 up.
Yes. Very good. 5 multiply 7 equals
35.
plus 4 equals 39.
39.
Thank you so much. Then now let's continue with Rimas. Yes, Rimas. Can I add the numbers with you, please? Rimas.
Teacher.
Yes. 8 plus 0 equals
8.
6 plus 0 equals
6.
4 plus 9.
4 plus 9.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes.
Equal. Okay. 4 plus 9.
Equals 13.
13.
Yes, you have to be quickly. I have to put 3 here and 1 above the 1,000. 1 plus 3 equals?
1 plus 3 equals 4.
Very good. Thank you so much, Rimas. Thank you, dear. So the final answer is 4,368. Now the last exercise is number 7. Okay, now first thing I will estimate the number for you. 27, it will be 30 because I have 7 before the ones digit. And 25 also becomes 30 because I have 5 here before the tens and it's equal 5, so I add 1 to the tens. Now 30 multiply 30, 3 multiply 3 equals 9. And I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 900. Now let's start our multiplication. Okay. Yes, Bisan. Bisan, I chose you today.
Yeah, I am number 5.
Okay, you answered, right, Bisan? Okay, thank you, Bisan. I'm sorry, but I have to choose all the girls to answer. Yes, Kinda. Now I want to multiply 5 with 27, Kinda, with you. Kinda, open your mic.
Yes.
Yes, 5 multiply 7, Kinda.
5 multiply 7 equals
30.
30.
5, 35.
5.
Can I write for
35.
35 right here?
No.
I have to put the 5 here and 3 above the
Here's the
tens.
5 and here the 3.
5,
And,
yes, yes, I understand. 5 multiply 2, dear, equals 10.
10.
And plus 3 equals
12.
10 plus 3,
13.
13. Thank you so much, Kinda. Thank you, my dear. Okay, the last step, I will solve it for you because only we have 1 minute in our session. So I want to multiply 2 with 27. So I have 2 in the tens digit. That means I will put 0 in the ones digit. And then I will start my multiplication. 2 multiply 7 equals 14. So I have to put 4 here and 1 above the tens. Okay? Because I have to regroup the answer. 2 multiply 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. I'm sorry about that. So I have to add the numbers. Now 5 plus 0 equals 5. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And 1 plus 5 equals 6. So the final answer is 675. Okay, girls? So this is our lesson today. I hope that you understand it very well. Don't forget to do the homework. The homework on page 175. Thank you so much.